first rush hour in India, actually Noida, and I'm going to be asking everybody the one tip that they would give to companies that are building their search visibility. Let's go.
I think one thing that's become very important is to have your presence on multiple surfaces, increase your search visibility. Every now and then, Google and other LLM platforms are citing and showing different sources like Reddit, LinkedIn have started to crop up. Even other social media channels like Instagram, YouTube have started to crop up on search results. So having your presence on all platforms is becoming imperative day by day.
So I think for AI visibility, fresh content is one of the most important part. Fresh content, human written content is the key to AI visibility and all.
According to me, for the company who is looking to increase their search volume, they have to focus on their questions, client questions, what the client is looking for. So they have to add the FAQs on their website, so that when the Google will search, Google will crawl your website, then see their questions. If the particular question will asked by other clients, other people.
What we can do, we have to look into our content. Whatever the content we are writing, is that content is valuable to the users which we are providing. We just don't have to rely on SEO tricks, जो भी हम apply करते हैं, black hat techniques or grey hat techniques. So we just have to make sure that whatever the content we are writing, is that valuable? Is it providing answers to our users which they are looking for?
We get help from you guys, because we are the tech guys, but we don't know the software thing. So we go to people, those who can manage our SEO, those who can run our campaign, those who can do the performance marketing for us. So that's why we seek for the people, those who can do it either within the team or as a freelancer.
So one tip that I would give, if you want to rank in AI visibility, use common sense. Don't get diverted into following those hacks. A lot of people, what they do is they'll go in and probably post an .md file and llm.txt. These are the things that they'll focus on adding. Not care enough about understanding what's the core problem that the business is trying to solve and how that can be solved. What are the verticals of business is targeting? How can we work towards that targeting? How can we pick one part of it and then build upwards from there? Focus on one particular area, win it first, validate that you're moving in the right direction, and then build on top of it. If you go towards following the hack first and focusing on the business problems later, that's gonna backfire. That's never going to get you in those AI answers.
Come to Contensify or you start using SEMrush. That's the best way, nothing else.